Welcome back. Today we are going to take accurate body measurements for a perfect fit. I'll be using this beginner measurement chart. Let's begin. We are going to start with our shoulder measurements. So we are going to measure from one shoulder tip to the other shoulder. You place your measurement at the tip of the shoulder. That is where you'll read the measurements and then you record. Next, we are going to measure the vertical measurement. We are going to take the tape measure you put at the tip of your neck to the highest point of the bust, and that is going to be our bust line. Next, we are going to get our under bust point. So we are going to take your measurement from the nape of the neck to the under bust point. That is where our under bust line is. Next is our waistline. We are going to take our tape measure from the tip of the shoulder, and then we are going to measure to the waistline. That is going to be our waistline area. It is the narrowest part of your waist. That is our waistline area. So next we are going to measure the length. So the length depends on your preference. It can be below your knees or above your knees. That is the area that you can decide on your own. We are going to begin with the horizontal measurement. We are going to start with the bust measurement. So on the bust, you are to take the fullest part of your bust. The tape measure should be straight at the back, and then the tape measure should be free to move. It should not be so tight. So you take the fullest part of your bust. Next, we are going to take the under bust measurement. So the under bust measurement is below your bust, just below your bust. It should not be tight. Yeah, that is our under bust measurement. It should not be too tight. Next, we are going to take the waist measurement. Waist measurement is around the narrowest point of your torso, the narrowest area. The tape measure should move freely. It should not be too tight or too loose. Our next measurement is the hip measurement. It is the area between your hip bones and your thighs, the fullest part of your hips. So the tape measure should be able to move up and down to allow it to pass through the movement. It should not be too tight. You should be able to move it up and down. So that is our hip measurement. Next, we are going to measure the length of the sleeve. If it is the short sleeve, you can put your preferred measurements. that is around 6 to 7 inches. If it is the long full sleeve, you should be able to bend your hand slightly, and then you measure to the end of your wrist. From the shoulder to the wrist. From the shoulder tip to the wrist area. That is our sleeve length. So we are going to measure the bicep circumference. So that is around the fullest part of the upper arm. It should not be too tight. Next is the wrist circumference. That is around the wrist bone. It should not be too tight. So that is our measurement. To make this easier for you, I've created a simple and beginner-friendly measurement chart. It includes all the key measurements we have covered today, plus extra space for your notes. Download it using the link in the description. Start your sewing journey with accurate measurements every time. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.